promote your career. It would be my big pleasure to use this seat to help develop you and boxing generally in Ghana.
You know, as we all know, you are the one that is leading us. You know, and as a father, we all have to come back. Every time we go or we go in our way, we come back and ask for blessings before we move on to the next step. And it's always an inspiration, to be a great person such as yourself. And also, I mean, it's been great, coming for the first time, and everything that you said to me, and for your love for boxing. I mean, it was really amazing, and also the help and support you gave us the last time. It was, I mean, we were over the moon, and I just want to say thank you. And I mean, it's a privilege and a blessing to be able to, bring, the whole Ghanaians together, in one place, and everyone feeling like connected, to one thing in a particular moment.
Take care. Good luck. Yes, sir.